tell what it is? Spring. And this garden needs some tending to. All the soil left from the winter, kind of hard, compacted. So I went ahead and picked up one of these. This is a Soarfly 20 volt, let's just say tiller cultivator. This thing was under, I want to say $75 on Amazon. I was going to put it to the test. I didn't want something that has a cord. Great, I'm sure the ones with the cords work fine because they have 12 amps. But would this thing kind of hold up versus some of the other ones? I know the other name brands are pretty expensive, probably double, triple the price. I just need something that's pretty simple. Again, I tested it out in the back. Just wanted to kind of put it through the dirt and make sure, does it work? And is it going to break before I do this video and make a fool of myself? So I've got the battery here, charged it up. It's pretty easy. I mean, it comes in the box. This thing is heavy, so it's not exactly level. You kind of have to, be centered over the top of it, but you just kind of connect this piece. This unscrews here, and this unscrews here. Again, then you just use the handle, press this down, safety, and okay. So, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a run through the garden here. I've got these are the 8x12 Vita keyhole gardens. Got 2 of these actually, and getting ready to plant. It's April, so let me take a couple things out before I get to work. But again, you guys can see kind of what I'm doing here. I'll move the camera, give you guys a better vantage point, and we'll go ahead and get to work. So I'm going to start on this side over here. See just how this thing performs. Again, frozen over since the winter. It was really cold here, but I'm going to give this thing a go right now. Now look at that. Very easy to operate. Just gets right into the soil, turns it up. Look at that, so fluffy and airy. Really quick. See the wheels in motion. Wonderful. Very satisfying. Not too heavy, I must say. It's quite easy. Switch it around. Whoop. Gotta keep get our handle in the corner. The action of pushing the soil up. rock get in here? A rock. Don't know. See you later. Going over the soil twice is really easy to breathe. Kind of float. So to wrap things up, now you can see kind of from the bird's eye view, it's pretty nice. And this took less than 10 minutes. Real easy. This tool just kind of floats along the surface, churns up all the soil. It's nice, airy. I mean, this is fertile, ready to go soil. In the next 2 weeks, probably I'll plant everything thanks to this tool for $60. I don't have to sit there and shovel and dig and use manual labor, although probably will just end up using this tool in my other garden right now. So I would highly recommend this. Again, not being paid by Soarfly, got this on my own, did some research, and turned out to work fairly well. So how-to videos, let me know what your thoughts are. If you want me to test anything else, if there's any other areas of your yard that you think this may be applicable for. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Peace.